Hello everyone, I am Ms. Lutka Rachana. My topic is coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? A system of a geometry where the position of a points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. So he is the founder of the coordinate geometry. The French mathematician René Descartes developed a new branch of mathematics called the analytical geometry or the coordinate geometry, which combined all arithmetic, algebraic, and geometry of the past ages in a single technique of a visualizing as a points on a graph and the equations as a geometrical shapes devising a coordinate system. So it has two scales. One running across the plane is called the x-axis and the another right angle to it called the y-axis. The point where the axis crosses it called the origin and is where both x and y are 0. Coordinate in the plane. So the vertical number line denotes the y-axis and the horizontal number line is the x-axis and the origin 0, 0. So here shows that the y-axis, x-axis and the origin. So the x-coordinate is called the abscissa and the y-coordinate is called the ordinate. The x-axis and the y-axis is divided the plane into the four regions called the quadrants. So they are usually numbered as the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So distance between any 2 points, yet the distance as a straight line distance is usually called as the crow flies the distance between two points on the coordinate axis. So distance between the 2 points lying on the line parallel to the coordinate axis. So distance between the 2 point on the plane. So distance between two points on a plane. So given a point P of x1, y1 and Q of x1, x2, y2. The distance between the points is given by the formula d equal to root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. The distance became PQ equal to the distance between QP, that is root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, that is equal to root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. The distance of your point P of x1, y1 from the origin 0 of 0, 0 is OP equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square. So properties of a distance. The sum of the distance between the two pairs of points is equal to the third pair of the points. In other words, points A, B, C are collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC. The sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the squares of the third side, so which is a hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. The midpoint of a line segment. So a point A of x1, y1 and a point B of x2, y2 is m of x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Then points of a trisection of a line segment. So a line segment which is divided by a point is called the midpoint of a line segment. So that is AM equal to MB. So a line segment is divided by a 2 points, that is a line segment of a trisegment of a line segment, that is AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Thank you.